Hey, welcome to the Tim Branyan YouTube channel. My name is Tim Branyan, and in this video, I'm going to break down the power of podcasting and how you can use podcasting to grow your personal brand and sell more products and services. So, first of all, let's break down and talk about what a personal brand is. So, a personal brand is essentially the reputation and image that you have as an individual. It's how people perceive you and what you stand for. And in today's digitally connected age, having a strong personal brand is more important than it's ever been. So, how can podcasting help you grow your personal brand and sell more products or services? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to tell you. So, for starters, podcasting allows you to be what I call omnipresent. So, when you syndicate your content or your podcast across all major hosting platforms such as Spotify, Google, Amazon, Apple, the list goes on, basically, you can reach a broad audience wherever they're at. They could be driving in their car, riding a bike, working out, maybe they're at the gym of some sort, or just relaxing and chilling at their house. The more people who see, hear, and interact with you, the more your personal brand will blossom and grow. So, in addition to being omnipresent, podcasting also allows you to showcase your expertise and your personality. When you host or guest on a podcast, you have the opportunity really to share your longer thoughts, your longer insights, and your experiences with your audience. This helps you establish yourself as an authority in your field and build massive amounts of trust with your audience. Finally, podcasting can really help you sell many more of your products or services for those exact reasons. You're building know, like, and trust with your audience. So, by consistently providing value to your audiences or someone else's audience and building relationships with them, you can create a loyal following that is very much more likely to buy from you. Plus, you can use your podcast to directly promote your products or services or even offer exclusive deals to your listeners. So, in conclusion, my last thoughts podcasting is an effective way to grow your personal brand. And I highly recommend looking for opportunities to guest or host your own. One of the ones that I personally use is called Podmatch. The link's going to be in the description below this video. My buddy Alex owns it. He's an awesome guy. Basically, it's like the Tinder of podcasting. It connects you with the opportunities to share your stuff. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Stay up to date with all the future content that I will be releasing. And don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. I look forward to reading every single one of those. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.